It's time to cook with Susan Beck. Waste not, want not. That's probably a slogan that could be applied to me, especially when it comes to food. I'm always taking leftovers and turning them into something different and better for a variety. I really don't waste a whole lot of food at our house. Anyway, I'm going to apply that to some problems with brown sugar. Have you ever had any brown sugar that looks like this? It's hard. It's like a rock. It's supposed to be nice and soft. And I've got these great big solid clumps of brown sugar. Well, I'm going to show you how to rescue this and make it useful again. It's very simple. You take out about how much you think you need for your recipe. It's a little hard to measure because it's not going to fit into my measuring cup, but I need a cup for cookies. So I'm going to say that's probably at least a half a cup, and this is probably about that much more. So I'm just going to put this all into my glass microwave safe bowl here, and then I'm going to use a paper towel that I moisten in water. I'm just going to dip that in some water here, run it under your faucet if you prefer, and then just unfold that paper toweling, and you're going to lay that across the top of your microwave safe dish, having it not touch the brown sugar. So I'm going to break this piece down a little bit because the paper toweling is kind of touching that a bit. Okay, now onto the top goes my paper towel. I'm going to start with just 30 seconds. I'm going to heat this in the microwave until it becomes the normal texture of brown sugar. The brown sugar is in the microwave. We'll just close the door and do a quick start of 30 seconds. Well, let's see what we have. Here's our brown sugar, and look, it's nice and soft and crumbly again, and it just falls apart into pieces like it's supposed to. Let's pack that into our one. Well, now I can use this for my cookies. This packs in just like it's supposed to. Proper technique for measuring brown sugar is to pack it in as tightly as you can into your measuring cup. And I have now been able to do it. 30 seconds ago, that would have been impossible. If you do this and it needs a little bit longer, it's not quite soft enough, maybe just moisten your paper towel a little more if it's kind of dried out, and repeat the process for an additional 30 seconds. But look at that. You don't need to throw away your clumpy old dried out brown sugar. I mean, just listen to that rattle. You can turn it into something nice and packable. All you need is a little bit of water, a paper towel, and 30 seconds in the microwave.